Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install our Android screen 10.25 inch anti-glare in a 2016 BMW xDrive 340. The car is fully loaded with navigation and backup camera. Customer wanted to add our touchscreen, including our Apple CarPlay. Right now I'm doing wireless CarPlay. It works fully as a touch, and also I can use the knob to scroll left, right without any problem. I can go back to BMW ID7, and also I can go back to the factory screen without any problem. If you're interested to get these type of units, you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca, or you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, and one of our technicians will be more than happy to help you out with these units.